Hello, recruitment hackers. Max from Talkpush. I'm going to start a conversation today on, do you still need a resume as part of your recruitment process in 2020? And I'm going to argue you do not. I'm going to argue that the reason you still use resumes today is because you're being lazy. You're instead of asking yourself, what are the qualities that I need from a candidate? What is an assessment that I can ask them to do that could be done in a few minutes through an interaction? Instead of asking yourself those hard questions, you're defaulting to your old habits, which is, I'm just going to ask for a resume, and that'll be one way to screen candidates. Maybe I'll pick the ones who go to the best schools or the ones who know how to format their resume the best way. But unless you're hiring for a job that requires resume editing as a core skill, you're not going to really be able to draw much information from that resume. So many tools out there today that allow you to assess if somebody's got good communication skills, empathy, or analytical skills, math skills, and other. And even if you don't use those tools, just with a couple of smartly phrased screening questions, you can get so much more value out of it than off a resume. I often ask people, if you have the choice between looking, if you're hiring a 20-something-year-old salesperson, you got the choice between looking at their resume or talking to them for 1 minute. Which one is going to help you make the right decision? In 2020, you don't have to go back to resume. You don't have to use them anymore. And I challenge you to start looking at your process and seeing all the jobs where you can flesh them out. Now, for some jobs, I may be wrong. And if you still believe that resume's got a future, please leave a comment below and or ping me to start a discussion.